Are you serious? Are you serious? There's a huge black hole on the surface of the sun, and it's blasting forces toward Earth. Matter of fact, according to spaceweather.com, this black hole in the sun's atmosphere is releasing coronal mass ejections and solar winds with no protection straight toward the Earth. It's affecting us. Matter of fact, BP Earthwatch did a video this morning called the Tesla Tech at CERN and the Circle the Wagons, but he shows you in the beginning of the video how these solar winds are affecting the Earth and pushing heavily on our magnetic sphere, the electromagnetic shield, and allowing these UV ultraviolet rays to permeate our existence here. Let me read to you what is being reported here. Space weather warnings are issued this week by the operator of the biggest power grid in the United States, saying that the two large coronal holes on the sun might disrupt our power supplies. Voltage corrections may be required. False alarms could be triggered on some protection devices, and the U.S. Space Weather and Protection Center says drag may increase on the low Earth orbit satellites, and corrections may be needed for the orientation problems. Coronal holes look terrifying in the images captured by NASA's Sun-Observing Solar Dynamic Observatory satellite, but they're perfectly normal. In other words, this is a normal event. It's not a good event, but it is an event that has happened before. And some recalculations, some adjustments, there may be some disorientation to some of the satellites, and more importantly, power grids could be affected. We could have some blackouts because of it. Now, NASA says that the coronal holes are low-density regions of the sun's atmosphere, not the surface of the sun, as the headline says, but actually it's the atmosphere around the sun. Okay, low-density regions of the sun's atmosphere, known as corona. Because they contain little solar material, they have lower temperatures, thus appear much darker in color than its surroundings. Thus, we call it a black hole. Coronal holes are visible in certain types of extreme ultraviolet light, which is typically invisible to our eyes, but it's colorized on some of the monitors of some of the different testing that we do. Coronal holes are the source of high-speed wind of solar particles that streams off the sun sometimes 3 times faster than the slower winds do normally. So because of these two big, huge black holes, these solar winds are racing quicker toward the Earth with more power than ever before. I will let you know more. I got more to bring to you. Got some breaking news coming in right now. Give your life to Jesus Christ. We're running out of time.